Question number 28. In the given figure, the vertices of triangle ABC are A 4,6, B 1,5, and the C 7,2. A line segment D is drawn to intersect the sides AB and the AC at D and A respectively, such that the AD is divided by AB is equals to 1 by 3. So it is 1 ratio 3. And A is also 1 ratio 3. So calculate the area. We have to calculate the area of AD is this triangle, this shaded triangle, and we have to compare it with the complete whole triangle. So let's find out the coordinates of the D point, which is 1, 1 and 2, 4. This is and this divided by 3, and for this point, for x point we got this point, and for y 1 into 5 plus 2, 6, which is divided by 3, that is 3, 17 by 3. The coordinates of D are 3, 17, 17 by 3. Okay, so let me take this. So the coordinates of E are same as it is 1, 7 plus 2, 4 and divided by 3. And for y 1, 2 and 2, 6 divided by 3 is given it's 1 by 3. That is 5, 14 by 3. For area of triangle ADE, which is 1 by 2, multiply 4 into 1 plus 3 into 14 by 3 minus 6 plus 6 minus 17 by 3, which is equal to 5 by 6. In area of triangle, we have find this area of triangle 5 by 6, and for area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2, multiply by 4 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 7 into 1, which is equal to 15